Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close options on Thinkorswim mobile. First, open the Thinkorswim app and navigate to your positions. You'll need to select the specific option contract you wish to close. Then, choose the appropriate order type, such as a limit or market order, to initiate the closing process. Always double-check all the details before confirming your trade to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. To begin, open the Thinkorswim mobile app and tap on the Positions tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see all your open trades. Find the option contract you want to close and tap on it. You'll then be presented with options to close position. Decide if you want to use a limit order for precise pricing or a market order for immediate execution, understanding the trade-offs of each. Once you've selected your option and order type, you'll need to specify the number of contracts you wish to close. If you chose a limit order, input your desired closing price. The app will then display an order summary, showing all the details of your potential trade. Take a moment to review everything, including the price, quantity, and estimated impact, before you hit the Send button. After reviewing your order, the final step is to confirm and send it. Tap the Send button to execute your trade. You'll receive a confirmation that your order has been placed. Monitor your positions to ensure the order fills as expected. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals we've found for you. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.